Now, this is some drone footage we've taken of the Nepean River starting at Maldon Weir on a very wet day in November 2020. We're just flying now over the Maldon Weir structure and looking down to where the Sydney Water proposed pipeline discharge could go on the left-hand side of the shot just there. And you can see the river's wide with some little riffle structures and pools, much wider today than in most conditions. And here's the next large riffle structure, and then out into the section downstream of Stone Quarry Creek. We spin around here and look back again at that riffle structure that's just downstream of Stone Quarry Creek. So Stone Quarry Creek's at the top of the page there, top of the image, coming in from the right hand side, and that's the little creek that drains the Picton Township, and also has the inflows from the Picton sewage treatment plant. There's a whole lot of sediment that's being conveyed down through that channel as well. Still debris from the 2016 major flood, and quite a disturbed riparian area in some of that confluence. And we couldn't fly the drone as low as we might like up the Stone Quarry Creek tributary, but now zooming above the trees and looking from the Nepean River up the Stone Quarry Creek confluence, we get high enough to get a good view of the riparian zone, look at that channel with different rock pools and sections, again in very high flow conditions on this day, and above the canopy seeing the sandstone edges of this beautiful little creek. And again, a lot of weeds, and impact from the flood event a while ago. Rock pools and riffles all the way down through this section. Little waterfalls and mostly rocky structures. We do see sediment areas and the like in lower flow conditions. And now we got out of range of the drone, so we needed to stop, and so zoomed up a bit now, looking to relocate and bring the drone home. Those wires cross between the Picton Road near the cement factory and our Picton Farm irrigation area on the left. So we'll spin now with the drone looking back to our irrigation area. That's our farm, the Sydney Water farm, that gets irrigated with the effluent from the Picton Township and nearby villages. And at this point a bird's attacked the drone, we think. It nearly recovered and then got attacked again and crashed into a tree.